So lighting has a extremely important role to play. Lighting is pretty underestimated by people. They so cheers on a nice fresh coffee. This is a French make, and it's so amazingly refreshing that even if I place it like a distance of an arm's or length and stuff, I can still get the fragrance of this. So I've shifted now from Sri Lankan to French. Okay, so now coming back to the ideas like this also help you having a nice coffee or a chai or a green tea. So yes, so lighting has a lighting has a phenomenal role to play. Okay, so the moment you go into a space, or the moment you go into a lobby, or you enter a room, you can pick up the energy. You can either feel depleted, low on energy, or you can feel recharged and reboosted and stuff. Okay, so lighting has this phenomenal role to kind of alter your mind, how you're feeling, and to relax, to kind of get high on energy and stuff and all. So a good idea to do a mix match of big yellow lights and white lights. And these days you've got lighting with this option of 3 or 4 colors and stuff. So you can have tube lights, or you can have bulbs with those kind of colors and lighting and stuff. And if you're used to good lighting, so this is through experience. Most of my videos are through my own experiences and stuff, that sometimes you don't feel like sitting in a space or working out, or kind of spending time in a space because the space feels negative and dull and boring. The reason is because probably your system and you are used to better yellow lighting and better classier lighting, and then you go into a space which just kind of drains you and pulls you down. So the atmosphere around you kind of gets largely influenced by the lighting and stuff. So try and use lighting with a combination of dim lights and stuff, and try and consider an extremely important point is blacking out your curtains with dark fabric and stuff where you have the lamps placed, because that really helps you big time and stuff. Okay, so I've already touched on this. This is the soothing colors. Use soft natural tones like beige, pink, light blue, light green, and yellow and stuff like that to kind of soothe yourself and stuff. And the most important tip is limit electronics. I mean the phone. Limit electronics in your phone, zones where you sit. The phone zone is the sofa, the bed, the chair that you sit on every day religiously, following people and listening to people's noise and opinion, and also educating yourself